Okay, welcome to another quick video in my Python for Beginners series. In this one, we're just going to install and set up Thonny, which is a basic Python IDE for beginners. Just going to put Thonny IDE into here, Thonny for Beginners, and right the way down at the bottom, we have instructions for and downloads. This particular video is covering Windows. I will cover Linux later, and if I can find a way of doing it, I will cover Mac, but I have no access to a Mac. This is the general instruction page. However, in my opinion, this doesn't make it obvious where to get the download. If we go to code and then version latest, scroll to the bottom and we can see a list of downloads. The easiest is just to choose the executable file for the latest version, which is currently 4.02, but may be higher by the time you see the video. Once it's downloaded, we can just run the file. You can install for all users or install only for me. Accept the license agreement. It's a really short, really nice license agreement actually. Create a desktop icon if you would like one. And it's done. Now we can just run it, select your language, hit let's go. Start with the same very basic single line file that we've done for the others. And I can run it. The debug needs to be saved. File, save as, documents, test. Step over it and it's done. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.